Oh, that's gonna be a war story. You're good, it happens. I've done it before too. I'm pinned down.
Yours doesn't count as a building, but the gray one right next to it does.
Right. I got me pinned down. I got one, I got one. I got him suppressed, you can move. I got him suppressed. I got one. One's running. They're backing off, There might still be one in there though. I got at least 2 of them. I think there's one more in there. I didn't see all of them leave. I saw at least 4 or 5. I'll cover you. I got the range on him right here. I'll stay right here. I'm just playing suppressive fire. You keep moving. Run! I'm moving up to church. Hey, no, capture that building!
We got people pushing up.
Right.
There was one in right here and I got him.
Oh my frickin' then.
Yeah, watch that window. Hey, Tudor! Come over!
Let's see what the heck I can see from here. That's mud. Bro. I got one, one's down. One is down, there's still 2 more.
You want to push?
No, we're not gonna, if we push they're gonna take us out. Just keep them suppressed. Bye, boys. Goodbye. Okay, they fell back. Game road's clear now.
Can we go up there?
No. Wait, never mind. I see one. I can reach him. I don't know if I'm hitting him, but I'm suppressing him. He might be returning fire. I cannot tell.
We're gonna try and get Sooner on the
Oh! No!
I was so close to catching it.
Even better. Yeah. Come on, go! Oh, let's go!
Go for the bus.
Yeah! Oh!
Go for the bus.
Dude, it is gonna be a pain in the butt. Hey, don't group up, spread out. Any contacts on the bus already? Screw you, brothers. Got one. Just moving my line of fire. Sorry, my bad. Got two.
Is it clear?
Bravo! No! I missed! Okay, I don't know, maybe I hit him, I don't know. Nice, that was epic. I just got like 5.
Nice.
Spread out that way.
Right there. Hey,
Don't
watch
step.
that. Hey. There's a guy in that building right there, you can see his gun.
Right. Hey, don't stack up on this bus. One push around the corner and we're all dead. I wanted to run an LMG. $400.
What's the base gun?
The base gun is an M4.
Yeah, but like what brand?
I don't remember exactly. It was been a while. Bro. Okay, I'm moving.
White House.
Shenanigans are quite fun.
On my house. In that building. White House. Hey, Pepper House. Pepper House.
Hey! Raise hands if you want to do a suicide charge with me.
No.
Yo, no fun.
I have a machine gun. I'm behind my target.
Use your pistol! Fuck y'all.
Hey, give me your grenade launcher.
Oh wait, I'm good? Yeah. Okay, cool.
Is that tonight?
Hey, let me take this.
You, and you. We're doing
Did
that
this get shot?
What the hell?
You've been conscripted
Oh,
to
frick.
the suicide division. You guys coming with?
Pink, I dare you, fool.
Wait, too many people in the bus. No? Come on, Gabe.
All right, everybody cover fire in 3, 2, 1.
I think I got him. Damn car. In my way.
Come back around. Try to get in.
We're being flanked.
We're flanked? Okay, I'm moving this way. Hey, we've been flanked. We're being flanked. Watch this side. We're being flanked. See anyone?
Yeah, they were saying there's people from up over there. One got tagged in the back, but I guess they're pulling the
Move up to the barrels out there. Keep it covered. Take that. This is so fun. I think I got him actually.
Hey, let's go. We're on the White House. White House.
Is there anyone in the bus?
Hey guys, that building right there. We all run up right now.
Oh, you want some cover fire?
Yeah, give us cover.
I got you.
Guys behind us. Out there.